If you are looking for a good fitness tracker, here is a best tracker for you. Xiaomi is undoubtedly one of the most well-known brands when it is about affordable electronics. The Mi Band 3 is one of the best fitness trackers for the price. It has an 0.78-inch OLED touchscreen, a heart rate sensor and pedometer on board. Furthermore, the Smart Band has 5 ATM water resistance, support notifications from a smartphone, and has a claimed battery life of up to 20 days. With all the above features, the Mi Band 3 is available at a very competitive price, which makes it a very viable option. You should definitely buy it if you have a budget near 2,000 rupees. Don't go for cheap trackers that look similar to Mi Band 3, they are not worth it. Thanks for watching Tech Molecule. See you in the next one.